Hi Legacy Builders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the 5 keys to harness the power of our subconscious mind that I learned from this fantastic book by Napoleon Hill called Think and Grow Rich. This book got me out of poverty so fast, so we will discuss and distill highlights from this powerful book, and we are going to do this in 6 parts. We are going to talk about lessons about having a definite purpose, lessons about how to program your subconscious mind for greater success, how to use the power of emotions, how to visualize, how to be persistent, and the one power strategy that literally makes us unstoppable. You might want to save this video so you can come back later. Let's go. So the first key I got from this book is that to achieve massive success, everyone must have a definite purpose. We must become very clear on what we want, on the specific goal we want, and the clearer the purpose or the end goal, the easier it is to get there. If you provide your subconscious mind with no clear purpose or goals, you will get no real power from it. It will be like a giant ship with immense power, but without any destination to aim for. A lot of people have these vague goals about maybe becoming rich or losing weight, but those goals are so vague that they are almost useless. You have to have a very clear goal, a very clear dollar amount that will help you harness the power of your subconscious mind, because it allows you to focus your effort and it gives you a clarity of direction and a clarity of making decisions. The second key to programming your subconscious mind is to use the power of autosuggestions. Now, autosuggestions are deliberately designed statements or commands you give to yourself, also known as affirmations. Once you know what you want, you must repeat that command to your subconscious mind over and over again. Think of your subconscious mind as a garden. There is no end to maintaining your garden, and so you must keep on repeating these affirmations to yourself over and over again if you want to achieve massive success. The third key to programming your subconscious mind is to use the power of emotions to direct your subconscious mind. Now, it is not enough to think of your goals and just repeat them. You must mix those thoughts of your goals with positive emotions, the emotions you want to feel when the goal will be accomplished. The fact is, the subconscious mind alone understands the language of emotions. So your job is to minimize the inflow of negative and disempowering thoughts and emotions, and instead program your subconscious mind with deliberately designed positive and empowering thoughts and feelings consistently in order to have the key to unlock the subconscious mind. Don't forget to smash the like button if you are enjoying this video, so that together we can get this video spread out to more people and hopefully help them as well. Okay, the fourth key to programming your subconscious mind is visualization and acting as if. In order to program your subconscious mind, we must see and feel the goal as if the goal is already accomplished. Ask yourself, how would you act if you had already accomplished your goal? The key to visualization is to actually be able to see and feel yourself as if already accomplished the goal, rather than thinking of it as a distant possibility. If you have a goal of making $1 million by December 31st of next year, visualize yourself on December 31st as having already accomplished that goal. Don't think of it as something you would like to accomplish in the future. Practicing this has changed my life, and I really cannot emphasize this point enough. So you might want to just rewind and watch this point a few times, because it's loaded with great wisdom right here. Okay, the fifth key to programming your subconscious mind is persistence and repetition. So, what is the price of being able to harness the power of your subconscious mind? As Napoleon Hill says, the price to pay is endless persistence of desire mixed with positive emotions, mixed with faith. No matter what the circumstance we face in our world, there is no lower price we can pay. We must consistently persist and repeat this thought over and over again. The amazing thing is that as you begin to increase your thoughts about the goal and mix it with positive emotions, what will happen is those thoughts and emotions will begin to attract more of such positive emotions. We just went through the 5 keys to programming your subconscious mind. However, there is one power strategy that literally puts this whole book on steroids and makes us unstoppable. This strategy makes the 5 lessons automatic. And the strategy is to bend the boats. This is done by having a burning, obsessive desire for something, and there is no way out. Do or die. When our survival is at stake, we become unstoppable. One of the ways you can do that is to publicly commit to a goal. Or another way to do that is to create real deadlines with real consequences if the goal is not accomplished. Whatever you do to bend the boat, make sure that it leads to a state of burning obsession where we are almost obsessively thinking about that goal every single day. If this video helped you in some way, this channel is definitely for you. Subscribe. Each one, teach one. God bless you. Peace.
Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.